to find him.
Find who?
Oh, Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Stop playing games!
Games? I love games.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Man.
Stop playing games!
I love games.
Do something!
Hey, dogs. That's me.
Swim away!
Like I'm scared now. Neener, neener, neener. Too fast for you.
Stop moving around! Dory, do something!
Hey, step dogs. Like I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!
I wonder if clownfish taste. Why did you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite. Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. More salt mates. Fish and friends.
Welcome to the EAC!
Check out the Mini Marlin! Woohoo! Okay, little dudes, get ready to rock!
Okay, the drop-off. All right, kids, feel free to explore, but stay close. Stromolytic cyanobacteria, gather. An entire ecosystem contained in one infinitesimal speck. There are as many protein pairs contained in this one bacteria.
on, let's go.
The entire ocean. Come on, sing with me. There's Porifera, Coletorata, Hydrozoa, Scastifoa, Anthozoa, Centifoa, Viruzoa 3.
Hey guys, wait up! Whoa. Cool.
That's the one thing we have to remember about the ocean.
It's not safe.
That's my boy. So, first, we check to see that the coast is clear. We go out and back in. And then we go out and back in. And then one more time, out and back in. And sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times.
Dad.
All right, come on, boy.
Dad, maybe while I'm at school, I'll see a shark.
I highly doubt that.
Have you ever met a shark?
No, and I don't plan to.
How old are sea turtles?
Sea turtles? I don't know.
Cindy Plankton from next door, he said that sea turtles said that they live to be about 100 years old.
Well, you know what? If I ever meet a sea turtle, I'll ask him. After I'm done talking to the shark, okay? Whoa, hold on, wait to cross. Hold my fin,
Dad, you're not gonna freak out like you did at the petting zoo, are you?
Hey, that snail was about to charge.